Welcome to Falcate Bracing with me, Trevor Gore, courtesy of Robbie O'Brien in Robbie O'Brien's workshop in Parker, Colorado. In this course, we'll show you how to make a Falcate brace guitar from measuring material properties through to closing the box. A bit of history behind Falcate brace guitars. Originally, it was a design exercise in order to find an alternative to X bracing and to demonstrate there were alternatives that would actually work. The principle behind the Falcate bracing idea is to put the material where it's mostly required, which is where the highest stresses on the guitar are, which is under the bridge. So we concentrate the material under the bridge and less elsewhere, with a view to making a more responsive and louder guitar. The process pretty much follows the process as described in the book Contemporary Acoustic Guitar Design and Build, which I wrote in conjunction with Gerard Gillet, and I will be referring to the book frequently during the course. The guitar being made is a triple O style guitar with a 12th break neck joint, a scale length of 25.4 inches with conventional compensation, i.e. we won't be doing nut compensation on this guitar. All these factors influence exactly where the bridge and the saddle end up. That's critically important when making a Falcate brace guitar, because the main primary Falcate braces actually pass between the bridge pin holes. So the way we achieve that is by drilling the holes in the right place first and then putting the Falcate braces between them. I'll start by measuring the material properties of the wood so we can figure out how thick to make the panels. That's both the top and the back panels. We'll then make the Falcate braces, bending the wood and gluing it up. We'll then look at how to lay out and shape the braces on the top and back, and then I'll show you how to glue those down and overlay the primary braces on the top and the secondary braces with carbon fibre. And we'll finish up by closing the box and measuring the resonant frequencies, and I'll show you how to trim those frequencies to the target that you wish to have your guitar at beforehand. So I hope you enjoy the course, and we'll get started straight away.